Alright, so today we're going to be covering what comes inside of the box of the brand new Note 9. So this phone is a beautiful phone. I got to play around with it earlier this week. Now the first thing is a SIM tool. As you know, the SIM card and SD card is enclosed